My name is Karen Lee Pollock, and I'm an immigration attorney at the law firm of Bell, Nunnally and Martin. I am often asked by clients, how do I get a green card if I do not have $1 million to buy one, if I do not have an employer to sponsor me, or I do not have a family member to sponsor me? Is there no way I can get a green card to live and work in the United States? And the answer is, yes, there is. It's called the DV lottery. This is a lottery run by the Department of State every year in which you can actually win a green card. It is a really simple procedure and it's free. You can only apply online. In the past, there have been several scam visas and companies who say they can get you a green card through the DV lottery. That is not necessarily so. There is only one website where you can apply, and that website is at www.dvlottery.state.gov, and that is run by the government. Every year, the United States makes 50,000 visas available to people from certain countries who do not have a high rate of immigration to the United States. It opens in October of every fiscal year and ends in approximately November of every fiscal year. Now, there are some requirements to enter the DV lottery. First of all, you have to be eligible to enter. That means you have to be from a country that is allowed to enter the DV lottery, or you can claim the country of your spouse, or if you were born in a country where your parents are not residents and have never resided there or were never citizens of that place where you were born, you can claim your parents' place of citizenship, and then you will be eligible. In addition, you should have a high school diploma or 2 years of work experience in a field that requires at least 2 years of work experience. There is only one entry per person. So you can enter, your spouse can enter, and older children can enter as well, who are over 18 and qualify based on the high school diploma or work experience. You will have to answer certain questions on an online application, such as your name and address. It's very short questions, and you'll have to upload a photo. You will then be notified by the Department of State if you were one of the lucky people who were selected. That is not the end of the process. That is just the beginning. You will then have to submit some forms to the Department of State, to the Kentucky Consular Center, together with supporting documents such as marriage certificates, police clearance certificates, birth certificates. You can complete these for not only yourself, but for each of your family members. So if you win, you can bring your entire family to the United States. You will also have to go for a medical exam with an INS doctor in your home country, and the Kentucky Consular Center will advise you of that. You'll also have to have an affidavit of support which shows how much income you earn so that you will not be a burden on the United States. This is an excellent opportunity, whether you have applied for a green card through a family member or employer, to try and speed up the process. There are only 50,000 of these visas issued each year, so if you are selected, you need to follow up with all supporting documents with the consulate as soon as possible so that you are one of those 50,000 who can obtain a green card. If you have questions on the immigration process or on the DV lottery program, please feel free to call me. I look forward to talking to you.